Big changes are coming to how credit score is calculated. And they're rolling out on October 1st, 2025, tomorrow. From buy now, pay later loans to mortgage credit models. These shifts could raise or lower your scores depending on your habits. In this video, I'll explain what changes are about to happen, how it impacts you, and what you can do to protect your credit scores and your credit, and even boost your credit scores, which would be a very good thing. So now the first thing is the buy now, pay later now count. Fico is launching the Fico Score 10 BNPL and 10T BNPL models, which includes buy now, pay later loans in the scoring. Now, on-time BNPL, whenever I say BNPL, buy now, pay later payments may help your credit scores, while missing a buy now, pay later payment could now hurt your score. These are things that were not counted in the credit scoring model until tomorrow, or if you're watching this video after October 1st, 2025, in the new world. Examples. So if you're using Affirm, Klarna, Afterpay responsibly, you can build your credit up. It can also damage your credit if you're missing those payments on time. Before then, it was not hurting your credit because it was not built in. So now let's talk about some of the other things that are changing for mortgage lending. This is some stuff that's changing started in Q4 2025. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will be using the FICO 10T and VantageScore 4.0 instead of the old classic model. This means lenders will see more of a modern picture of your credit profile, which tends to have things like buy now, pay later, or it can have your cell phone payments and stuff like that on there. So expect some borrowers who have previously disqualified you for a loan and may have had stricter evaluations to actually open up and be able to approve you, because they're going to start looking at your life as a whole. They know that you're making payments on your utilities. They know that you're making payments on your cell phones. They know that you're making payments on your cable bill. All of these things are now going to be able to go into your credit profile to show that you are a responsible individual. But on the flip side, it can also show that you're not a responsible individual. Now, another thing that is changing that was part of the old model was that they're going to be moving the credit approval process from a tri-merge to a bi-merge credit report. So mortgage companies, they're going to be able to approve you now by just merging two credit reports. So now let me just define what that means. In the past, they used to put all three together and they would get what's called your average score. But they were looking at the data on all of your credit reports. Now what it's going to mean is that they can take the two top, and they would actually, wanted to do that in the past. But now what they could do is they could pull from all three, and then they could say, well, these are the top two, and they're going to weight their approval based on those top two scores rather than putting all three together and getting the average. So now what are we going to do if you're looking at getting a home? What do you got to do? You got to start working on your credit to get yourself into a better position. You can see that they're moving to try to be able to approve more people, but you got to have that credit cleaned up, because if it's not cleaned up, it's just going to make it harder for you to get approved. So FICO and CoreLogic are building new predictive models that include landlord data, property history, and public records. So you want to make sure that all public records are resolved. And mainly when public records come into play is when you're going to try to get a mortgage. This could help renters who are trying to build their credit worthiness without going out there and getting other debt. You'll be able to utilize your rental payment. So now, October 25 is going to be the turning point, so the buy now, pay later loans will count. Mortgages will be judged on the new model, and your credit report data will matter more than ever. If you want to win at the credit game, you have to start paying attention and play ahead. You got to be proactive. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. We help repair your credit all the way from A to Z. If you need your credit reports and scores, because everything is going to start there, you got to know what's on your credit reports to know how you're going to be able to move forward. Go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, I'm going to give you 2 options. You can go to summonsmaster.com and you can upload your debt collection letter in the Summons Master, and it'll create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that will stop most debt collectors in their track. If you're being sued by debt collectors, you can also go to Summons Master and upload a PDF file of your summons, and it'll create a fully formatted summons response to every allegation and defense to help you win your case. If you have debt collectors coming after you, the second option is you can get my free letters, debt validation, cease and desist collection activities letter, and statute of limitations letter. Links are below this video. I do ask for a donation on those to help. Those will literally help you save time, money, and frustration when dealing with debt collectors. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.